Alright, so now we're gonna go live on Fox 26 News. And we're gonna talk about, of course, Imperial, number one. Number two, I'm gonna be talking about the Houston Exotic Auto Festival this Sunday from 11 to 5:30. See, I keep making mistakes. I keep saying until 5 o'clock because I know I'll be leaving early. But it's so cool though. Yeah, so we're gonna go live on Houston Fox 26 News this morning, and we're gonna talk about Imperial TV, and we're gonna be talking about the Houston Exotic Auto Festival and how the tickets are still available by going on to www.houstonexoticautofestival.com. Pretty cool, huh?
Having a good time because we get to talk about one of the coolest car events that happens annually in Houston. I've got Martin Gondra here. He is the man behind all of this. Let's talk about it. 6th Annual Auto Festival. Tell everybody about the festival.
Well, basically what it is we decided, Ruben, to do something different than having just the Lamborghini Festival. We just launched for the first time in history the McLaren Fest, there's a Ferrari Festival. So what we wanted to do was to bring all the brands together into one single event. So at this event you're going to find everything between BMW, Jaguar, Mercedes, all the way up to Rolls Royce, all the exotics, McLaren,
yes.
Lamborghini, under one roof, in one single event.
And you tell me about this beautiful event you're doing.
This was a 2020 event for V12 SVJ. It stands for a race track. There are about 800 made worldwide. I'm collecting myself.
Yes.
I always go after anything that's just small production.
Right.
So I can keep them and just show them off.
The next time you race it at Hennessy, call me.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, so before I let you go, let's talk about Imperial TV.
Yes, sir. Imperial TV, I'm a YouTuber, motivator. I do certain things where I can motivate.
What is the channel so people can find it? We got like
Imperial
5
TV
seconds.
on YouTube, and of course follow us on Imperial TV.
There you go.
Instagram.
Push them on. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
All right, Houston Exotic Auto Festival this Sunday, guys. Be there right now, live. Ruben Dominguez, Fox 26 News.
It's hard to put this helmet inside the car. Just oh my god. Much better. Alright, so I'm gonna take the car over on the track. So just do a couple laps. Hang around with a drone above us just to see how we're doing. And stay tuned. You guys gonna see some badass shit. I need to do a drone shots. I want Senor Pablo, the professional, to take drone shots of the SVJ. Do just a couple laps without anybody in front of me. So that I don't collect any rock chips or anything. I'm not looking to track this one because this bad boy is for sale for $1.2 million. And And this bad boy right here will sell it for me. If not, I'm gonna 100%.
Drivers, the meeting is at 11:45 in the VIP section. Drivers,
1.2.
meetings at 11:45.
Hey, how y'all doing, folks out here? I'm at the Houston Exoto Show, following Yolo Lamborghini with Imperial Auto Shop. And also, if you want to follow me, I'm on Instagram at SantaDave65, and I'm out here to see all these beautiful cars right here. And hopefully, one of them will let me get in and act like it's my sleigh and everything. But we'll see how it goes. But hey, y'all have a great day, and follow us on YouTube also at Imperial TV.
Santa guys here at MSR.
Hey, nice car right here that we're in.
Amazing. So I was supposed to do only one lap, with of course Pablo making the drone, but we ended up doing 3, so kind of got a little bit in trouble, but we're good. Do I want to take it back on the track? I would love to, but I have to wait till everybody's out of the track so I can have my piece. It's too fast to be on the track, to be honest. Love this car. Sexy as fuck. What's up, guys?
Hello!
If I show you, throw me some beats.
Hey,
Sorry, I'm not used to it. First time.
Hello!
I love this guy. This guy put me in trouble every single time. I try. I'll try.
That's it, guys. I tracked my cars. I had a blast. Met a lot of good folks. Had a great time. Everybody enjoyed it. I won a trophy. Cheers to everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, Imperial TV, guys.